to the other two, if going back, are you aware that the students, these Chinese students, they pay 1,200,000 each to be enrolled in these colleges in Cagayan? 1,200,000 each to the school. Does not it give you the red flag that something is, not normal?
Sa dami nating universities, bakit sa Maynila, maintindihan natin, di ba? Lahat papunta ng Maynila. Pero kung papunta ng Tugigaraw, bakit nandun sila?
Were you not alarmed that, for example, Kasay, Cagayan, Santa Ana, the naval port, in that part, and then near, proximate to Batanes, which China is trying to claim and to really get. Were you not alarmed that these are just too many in a particular place?